Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Mailchimp to your Wix website. Integrating these two platforms allows you to capture leads, send targeted emails, and build stronger customer relationships. We will cover two primary methods: using the Wix app market for a quick setup and embedding custom Mailchimp forms for more control. Let's get started on enhancing your site's marketing capabilities. The first method involves the Wix app market, offering a straightforward integration. Simply go to your Wix dashboard, find the app market, and search for Mailchimp. Once you add the app, you will be prompted to connect your Mailchimp account. This method allows you to quickly set up basic sign-up forms and pop-ups, collecting new subscribers with minimal effort. It's a great option for a fast and easy connection. For more customization, you can embed Mailchimp forms directly. First, design your desired sign-up form within your Mailchimp account, choosing from various field options. After creation, Mailchimp provides an embed code. On your Wix site, add an HTML embed element to the page where you want the form to appear. Paste the copied Mailchimp code into this element, and your custom form will display beautifully. After connecting Mailchimp, it is crucial to thoroughly test all your sign-up forms to ensure they are working correctly. Subscribe yourself to confirm data is flowing into your Mailchimp audience. Continuously monitor your subscriber growth and engagement metrics to understand what resonates with your audience. Regularly optimize your forms and email content to maximize your marketing efforts and achieve your business goals effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.